Get out those resumes and dress to impress. Target is hosting a hiring event today at their store in Valley Plaza Mall. 23 ABC's Scott Sheehan is live at Target. Scott, how big are the jobs looking out there?
So they're looking for about 30 jobs. There's already about 5-6 people ready to go. It's from 10 until 2 over here at the Target on Valley Plaza Mall. These jobs are for the jobs here at the Target at Valley Plaza Mall. And so we have Melissa here. She's going to talk with us a little bit more about what you need to do to get yourself ready. So to get ready to get some of these jobs, what do you need to do?
Just show up today between 10 and 2. You can apply online. You have to apply online ahead of time at target.com/careers.
So if you apply online, is there anything else you need, like either a cover letter or a resume?
Nope, no resume required. You can bring it if you have one, but absolutely not required.
As far as these jobs up to 30, where are they going to go? What are they going to do?
We're looking for positions all over the store. Our general merchandise team, which includes sales floor positions, grocery, Starbucks. We're also looking for some style consultants, so over in the clothing areas as well.
And then looking for the future, if you can't make today, how can they apply? How can they get other jobs and other future job opportunities here at Target?
You can continue to apply online at target.com/careers, and then we'll schedule an interview for you later at a later date.
All right, and then as far as other things, hiring event, will people get jobs today if they're qualified candidates?
Potentially, we will be doing some job offers today. We will also continue to schedule interviews throughout the week if you are here today and we don't happen to have the ability to schedule you for an interview today.
All right, so coming over here, 10 until 2 at the Valley Plaza Mall inside the Target. The mall entrance is where they're going to be set up and ready to go. Again, 10 until 2 over here at Valley Plaza Mall. At Valley Plaza Mall, Scott Sheehan, 23 ABC, connecting you.